brand ambassadors, SB19!
SB19 as Xiaomi ambassadors special appearance for the Redmi Note 15 series official launch.
Guys, SB19! Let's give them a round of applause. Welcome to the program. But before we start, batiin nyo naman ang ating mga viewers on our live stream.
Pakilala tayo sa isa. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Kami po ang SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli, ako po si Pablo.
May gabi sa tanan, ako si Ken.
I'm Justin.
Hi everyone, my name is Tel.
And I'm Josh.
Nice to meet you.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Di nyo alam?
Pwede naman po kami.
Pwede naman, di
Pwede,
ba?
pwede.
No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Xiaomi. This is your
Yes.
third year collaborating with Xiaomi. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang, we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having, being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na kami sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13 and now nandito na tayo sa 15. So talagang antindi po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba?
Yes.
But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Titan Tough po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madali yung struggles namin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami as a matibay na tao as an artist. And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro ibalibag ko dyan, di mabawasak. So yun po, Titan Tough.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakaalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Ang tagal na po namin magkakasama. Pero 10 taon na po kami magkakasama. And now, we have established our own company and it's called Onesie Entertainment. So, katulad lang Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough talaga ang SB19. Kahit ilang taon na pagdaan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now, I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are gonna share photos with us
Yes,
and
yes.
why they're your favorite photos, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So,
First photo.
Ito pong photo, akin po ito. Nakita lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha niya po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity pa rin yung photo. So, yan, may shift. Tapos yung cat parang, para sa akin, parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling na binibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo. Yeah.
napaka-sentimental naman niya, guys. Let's see the next photo.
Okay.
Animal ulit!
Another animal. Ako po, kuha ko po yan.
Okay.
Ikaw yan?
Ako yan.
Mag-ano kaya? Mag-teaming talaga kayo,
That's
no?
my selfie, guys.
Oo.
Grabe yung nagagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform.
True.
Hindi. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakitan lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang catch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi.
Yes.
Which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zoom ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ng quality ng photo.
Napakaganda ng selfie mo. Di ba?
Selfie.
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo yun, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicturean ko yung dog niyo.
Okay. Can we see the next photo? Animal, guys.
Yan naman po, sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang nagustuhan ko po yung photo na to. And yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this is like, gaya ng sabi ni Style, kahit i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So, yeah.
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo.
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya. So kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicturean ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature ng Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicturean ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect nung Redmi na nagbe-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus. So nag-focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur, hindi ko nagkaroon ng effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo, dun sa nung moment po na medyo padilim na siya, paggabi na. So medyo clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumabok. So ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly Titan Tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna wanna whip up your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is the Titan Crackdown. We will be giving away Redmi Note 15 phones signed by your favorite SB19 members to 5 lucky winners. Okay. Okay. Ito na kayo. Now, about a week ago, we posted an announcement on the official Xiaomi Facebook page. Valid entries were gathered, and now they're all inside the Titan shells. Now, here's the catch. To choose our lucky winner, wait lang. We will draw one coconut shell, guys, and we will crack it using the Redmi Note 15. Oh, di ba? Ready na ba kayo? Yes? Okay. Now, each coconut shell contains printed comments. Kaya naman, watch out ang mga 18 kasi your favorite SB19 member could read out your comment, okay? And that will earn you a signed Redmi Note 15. To our viewers, are you ready? Guys, are you ready? Handa na ba kayo? Yes! Handa, let's go! Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, hindi nyo yung expect. I will ask for some help.
Wow.
Pero you guys can choose one.
Titan Tough one.
Titan Tough nga talaga. Nakita nyo guys? Did you guys get that on video? Yes, okay. You guys can pick one each and then read it out loud.
From DDF Garcia to SB19, I'm excited to join this giveaway and hopefully win an SB19 signed phone. Fingers crossed. Thank kaninang Xiaomi Philippines. I want to use this phone. Sana sa wakas sa Simula concert para mag-keep up ko mga memories ko. Pala rin enough makasecure ng ticket. So may mahaling, I hope to see you soon again. Ayun.
Guys, bigyan nyo ng ticket, please.
Bigyan ng ticket sa plane. Yes, so.
Okay, game.
From Jen Pai. I'm an avid Xiaomi user and excited to see what the Redmi Note 15 series brings. As an SB19 fan, also a signed phone would mean a lot to me. Would mean a lot po. Especially today, my birthday. Mabuhay Xiaomi
Wow,
Philippines.
happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jen. Happy birthday.
Sa kanila pong medyo mahaba. Galing kay Grace Cladera to SB19. I'll be honest, Mahalima. I was converted from a basher to a fan real quick.
Wow.
Basher!
grabe.
Dati, hindi ko gets ang hype sa inyo, SB19. Pero ang hirap nyo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang talent at determinasyon nyo. Dadagdagan pa ng kulitan nyo at pagiging humble nyo. Your stories as an individual and as a group are truly inspiring. Nakain ko lahat ng sinabi ko noon at ngayon. I can say na full-time 18 na ako simula ng pagtatag era. Proud of you, Pablo, Jostel, Ken, and Justin. Keep soaring. P.S. Sana makapunta ako sa homecoming concert nyo sa April 18. Sana dumating na rin yung LSD Dust at 1G shopping bag. PPS, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro user here. Baka ito na ang sign for a phone upgrade. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go.
Upgrade from hater to fan. Okay.
Oh, from basher to ano. Deserve mo ang bagong phone. Okay, from Christine Joy L. Amarga. To my kuyas SB19, I hope you stay humble and kind. And as an 18, I will always support you until the end. Also, you're one of my inspiration to achieve my goals in life. Thank you, Xiaomi Philippines, for giving me this opportunity to give a message to SB19. Congratulations, Christine.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Okay.
And last but not the least, from Casey Mercado Rosalan. Hello SB19, noong 2024, winish ko na makita kayo at maka-hi hello in person. Natupad yon dahil kay Ninang Xiaomi Philippines. SLFT po. Ngayon 2026, ang wish ko, mas klaro at tight and tough na pang picture pag nakita tayo ulit. Hashtag Redmi Note 15 series.
All right. Okay, let me just take these papers from you guys para matibay nila. Giveaway nila. Passing yung papers. Lahat kayo pasado sa exam.
Thank you po.
Talaga po.
Alright, congratulations to our winners. Grabe talaga ang features ng Redmi Note 15 series. Titan, Top, and D. Let's give it up for SB19, everyone. Now, of course, kailangan natin mag-picture, diba? So, let's take our photos. We also call on the country manager, Mr. Wayne Yee, and the marketing manager, Miss Allison Joe, for a photo. Smile, everybody. Now, isa namang selfie with the crowd, guys. Guys, this is your moment. Everybody, let's give it up for SB19.